You're fired!
That is what you're going to be telling your webmaster after you've added these WebMaster Blaster cPanel videos to your tech training video library. Imagine not having to contact and pay someone to build your MySQL database, back up your entire website, create your email accounts, your cron jobs, or a host of other technical tasks that once you're armed with these WebMaster Blaster cPanel training videos, you will be able to easily do them all yourself. In addition to the loads of time and money you're going to save by getting your copy of these training videos now, you're also gaining the sense of freedom by not having to rely on someone else's schedule to get your work done. And what a major confidence builder it is when you create your own custom error pages, or email filters, or even your own password-protected directories. All of these and more are detailed in these over-the-shoulder style cPanel training videos. This comprehensive set of 17 cPanel training videos are guaranteed to remove the difficulties and the fear of using the various panels in your cPanel control panel. Now, I've gathered snippets of a few videos in this series for you to see and listen to the quality you're about to receive. Welcome to the introduction to cPanel, the most popular web hosting control panel in the universe. Okay, maybe not the universe, but I like it a lot, mainly because of the GUI interface. And heck, even that sounds tasty. However, this GUI is GUI and means graphical user interface, and not something like a jelly-filled donut. If you need to know all the techie details of cPanel that the average person will never need to know, then you can head on over to the Wikipedia page on cPanel and fill your head with all that nerdy goodness. And you can find that at wikipedia.org. It'll default over to the en dot, or you can just type that in as well. And then /wiki/cPanel. And that'll bring you to this page here, which you can load up on all these goodies here related to cPanel. So while Poindexter is over at the Wikipedia page, the rest of us are going to head over to a couple of my different web hosting accounts so I can show you what cPanel looks like. Now, I'm going to assume that you have a web hosting account that offers cPanel and not a control panel like Plesk or some other customized control panel. And you can get to your cPanel control panel a couple of different ways. The most popular and probably the easiest is to go to your browser and type in your domain name, then put in a / and type in the word cPanel. That's cPanel. And then hit your return key. This video is going to cover the creation of cron jobs. Basically, a cron or cron job is a tool used to schedule or automate a set task like doing a backup or downloading logs or updating a membership script or a host of other possibilities. Cron, for those of us that just need to know, is from the Greek word chronos, meaning time. There, now you can scratch that off your need-to-know list. Now, usually when you are in need of creating a cron job, it's because you have a script that requires you to make that cron job. In this video, we're going to cover the mail module, which is pretty much everything to do with your domain's email. That's from creating the email account to protecting your emails, heck, even forwarding them elsewhere. Now, we got a lot of territory to cover here, so let's go ahead and dive into this. This video will cover the logs panel and all the info junky goodness that can be found there. Now, if statistics are your thing, then you want to listen up. And heck, even if stats aren't your thing, you should still be aware of how the info in the various logs can help you learn more about the inner workings of your websites and quite possibly what is not working. So let's head on into our logs panel and take a look at the different applications available. Now, this is one web hosting account here, and these are the applications available under the logs panel. This is a totally different web hosting account, and you can see that the applications available here are a little bit different. For example, this one offers the resource usage application. This one does not, but this one offers the Webalizer and the Webalizer FTP applications, where this one does not. The main thing that I would impress upon you to know about is the AW stats, the error log, bandwidth, and latest visitors. The rest of this stuff here is just window dressing as far as I'm concerned. The error log is important because it will tell you if people are encountering error pages like 404, hey, this page doesn't exist, or 500, the server's down. Check out the stats on AW stats. Now, this gives you all kinds of details. Go in here and click on view. Only these details are presented to you graphically. It makes things a lot easier on the eyes to view. And there is just a ton of information here. For example, if you have particular campaigns that you email out to your subscribers on certain days or certain times of days, you can see what is working on particular days of the month, for that matter, what's working at particular times of the day. Thank you for watching the sample videos. Now, since you're backed by my full 100% money-back refund policy, I've removed all the risk. So go ahead and click on the Buy Now button and fire your WebMaster today.